Hello guys and welcome to a new video, Omid's Every Other Day Excel and Power Query Challenge number 212. I will download it and this will be a quick one I think. So, here we are. So we should extract all item codes that are repeated just in one list. So if it's repeated here, then it is not allowed to be repeated here, otherwise it will not be on the list. So what I will therefore do is first make this a single list or single array. Then I will reduce initial value 0, sequence call, it doesn't matter, columns of L. Now lambda a b, and now I want to have a unique of index of array is L, row number, column number is B, and now I want to HSTACK A and this stuff. Oh, there's, yeah, for sure I need to drop this first, then drop here the first column, make it a single column. Yes, use there, ignore error 3, or I think also 1 is viable, and then use unique and exactly once true, and you get not to somehow to the same list. It's sorted differently, but this doesn't matter at all. So as I've told you, or yeah, this will be a fast one. Use the trick I learned today from them. So thank you for your attention. Let's see some other solutions. Oh, also cool. Also a cool solution. I don't think that anyone has used a reduced approach, but yeah, you know, my like border or like here I'm not hesitating when using reduce. So yeah, thank you for your attention. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.